eating his breakfast. He's not wearing that to school. He's not dressed for school yet. Yeah. No, you're not gonna wear that. No, you're not gonna wear that. You wore that yesterday. Yeah, you did. You wore that outfit yesterday.
Yes?
Yeah.
I'm wearing it again.
No.
I wear these yesterday too.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Are you a kindergartner? Yeah, you are. Are you gonna throw a tantrum when Mama leaves?
What happens if I pass?
You'll go to first grade. Wipe your chin.
What happens if I pass again?
Wipe your chin.
What happens if
Right here.
No.
What?
What happens if I pass again?
You gotta go all through the year
Where?
to kindergarten. You excited or are you nervous or what?
What happens if I pass again?
Okay, are you excited? You nervous or what?
What happens if I pass again?
I don't know. You gotta pass. What happens if you what do you think? Are you excited? Are you nervous? Or are you what? You're gonna make friends?
I don't know nothing.
Oh, yeah, you do.
I just want to help.
Your teacher's gonna teach you everything, Cameron. Are you excited? Or are you nervous? Or are you what? Mama's gonna not be there.
How am I going to know it though?
You're gonna learn from your teacher.
I don't know my teacher.
Yeah.
You can call her.
We're gonna find out today who your teacher is.
Maybe I'll call her.
Yeah. So are you excited? Or are you nervous? Or are you what? What do you think?
No. I think. No. I think I have new classmate, new teacher.
Uh-huh.
And
Yeah.
who's my principal?
I don't know. Are you excited though? Are you nervous? You excited or nervous? You're not nervous? Good.
When you come back, how am I going to go back here then?
Mama's gonna pick you up from school later on. Much later on. You're gonna be there for a while. I'm not gonna be there.
Why? Why are you going to be
Because parents don't be there with their kids at school. So are you gonna throw a tantrum when I leave?
No?
Okay. You gonna say bye?
What?
Okay. You gonna give me a kiss on the cheek? Or are you gonna not give me a kiss on the cheek because you don't want people to see?
I want to get
Okay. You can give me a big hug? Goodbye? Yeah?
I'm going to give you a hug now.
Aww. He loves mommy. Aww. You big boy.
Now, my backpack is heavy. I wish I had water in it.
Yeah. Lots in it? Yeah.
How am I going to hold it though?
You don't gotta wear it all day. You just put it down and put your stuff away. It'll be fine.